Are you tired of constantly battling dark, dim spaces in your pole barn? What if I told you there's an easy way to bring natural light without installing lighting? Today we're talking about Eave Lites, how they can transform your space, and we'll even put them to the test. Pole barns, especially in agriculture or workshop setting, often lack enough natural light. That means you're relying on artificial lighting, driving up the energy cost and creating an uninviting atmosphere. So how can we brighten up your space while cutting down those electrical bills? That's where Eave Lites comes in. Eave Lites are translucent panels installed on your pole barn sidewalls, right underneath the overhangs. These panels allow natural light to pour into your pole barn. So these panels are made from polycarbonate, which means no fading or discoloration over time. Plus, these panels are weather resistant, handling temperatures from -40 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. They hold up in extreme conditions. And they also come with a 10-year warranty. Now let's put these panels to the test. There are 3 different transparency options available. 100% clear lets in the most light, making it the most popular choice. 85% white provides a soft, diffused light. 45% opal offers more shade and helps control glare. So which one is right for you? Here are a few tips to consider. Go with the clear panels if you want the most natural light inside your pole barn. Great for workshops and machine sheds. Choose the 85% panels for a balance between brightness and reduced glare, ideal for livestock barns and garages. Opt for 45% panels if you need more shade and UV protection, perfect for areas exposed to intense sunlight. So to recap, Eave Lites are a simple yet effective solution to bring natural light into your pole barn. They are made from durable polycarbonate, come in 3 different transparency options, and are built to withstand extreme weather conditions. Whether you need maximum light or a diffused glow, there's an option for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more post-frame content. Have a question or a project in mind? Drop it in the comments section below. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms and visit our website for more resources and inspiration. Until next time, build with confidence.